What can AI do for you? AI can increase your revenue 20 to even 200% or more throughout your entire organization. Find new ways to create brand new revenue streams by examining and analyzing opportunities and data. Eliminate or automate repetitive tasks. Increase your team's capabilities, effectiveness, productivity, and retention. Identify and take on more opportunities that you currently lack time, money, and resources for. Also, dramatically reduce your running costs. Now let's move on to ChatGPT. So, ChatGPT, designed to understand your instructions and generate text, enabling it to engage in conversations, answer questions, and assist with various tasks. Utilizing a vast amount of data, ChatGPT can generate coherent and contextually relevant responses. Create content such as promotions, landing pages, emails, social media posts, etc. It only took 2 months for ChatGPT to reach 100 million users. That's far ahead of even Instagram and TikTok. So you can see that the trend is only going to grow and grow faster and accelerate over time as more and more people realize the potential that is within AI and ChatGPT. In summary, AI helps you communicate effectively through AI Content Generator, for instance. It quickly responds to inquiries even when you're not available to do so, such as a website chat widget. Filters calls and makes appointments, responds to social media messages, and connects with other workflows through AI conversations. Overall, AI can improve your customer service and save you time.